Alright, so I'm going to do a quick review here of this 50-foot Generac generator cord. So it's rated 30 amps up to 7,500 watts. It's got the L14-30 ends. 10 gauge wire, 4 wire, and it just shows you there how to connect it to your generator in your inlet box. It is UL listed. It says it has a 2-year warranty. I'm not sure exactly what that all consists of. The cord number or the product number is 6329 if you're looking it up. I bought this one off of Amazon for $149 shipped. So we'll take a look at it. The cord I have currently is 20 or 25 feet, which is just a little short, so this 50 footer should be way nicer. Alright, so here's the generator cord out of the box. This tag here is just the model number, that's 6329. The gold tag here is the UL listing. So it does say that it's water resistant. It's got these nice molded on ends here. This is your L14-30 end. That looks good. And your receptacle end here. So my plan is to hook this up to the air compressor, which is 220, and have the generator run it just to see if the generator can keep up or if there's a lot of line drop, because this is a longer cord. Like I said, I'm not sure the length of that other cord I have. It's either 20 or 25, so this one could be at least 25 feet longer. So maybe there'll be some line drop, maybe not. The generator is at 8,000 watts, so there shouldn't be any issue. But I know on startup that air compressor has a pretty good draw, so we'll get it hooked up here and give it a whirl. Alright, so this is what we're going to use to put some load on that generator cord there. I got it all connected and outside the garage. You can probably hear the generator running. So we'll go outside and we're going to have my daughter throw the switch here for the air compressor, and we'll see how bad the generator struggles. So that was pretty uneventful. I don't think there was absolutely any line drop. So we're going to use the yellow cord here, and I don't think this is probably recommended at all, but I'm going to plug this into the other cord, so we should have about 75 feet, and we'll do the same thing again with the compressor. Alright, so these are the cords now all hooked together, which actually makes a pretty long cord. Alright, so I'm wrapping it up here. So what I found is when I was running just the 50-foot cord by itself on the generator here, the power bar, I had 2 of those bars illuminated, and when both the cords were plugged together I had 3 bars illuminated. So obviously a little bit more of a draw with both cords hooked together. What I could have did was use a amp or voltmeter to verify what actual drop or load that we had on the generator, but it wasn't that big of a deal because I'd never plugged these 2 cords together. It wouldn't be weather resistance, and I don't need that type of length. The 50-foot cord is going to be plenty long to get me outside the garage, and running the 50 by itself was no different than running the 25 by itself. I had the exact same reading on that power bar, so I don't think there's much of a line drop using a longer cord, at least from a 50 to a 25, which is nice. So, and that 50 will get me plenty of length to get out the back of the garage or out the front of the garage door, so couldn't do that with the 25. So if you're in the market for a cord, I recommend that Generac cord at 150 bucks. It's definitely not cheap, but it definitely gives you plenty of length to get you far enough away from your structure. The cord on the left definitely gets you in and going. It's just you don't have a lot of length to play with. So, all right, that's going to be it for now.